Hi, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the roof rack project. We are now at a point where we're able to fix the rack onto the car, so quite an exciting time. As you can see, the lower brackets are fixed on and reasonably tightly at the moment, and we have the towels in place so I don't scratch the roof of my car. So once these have all been just checked and make sure they're all in place, we start to bring on the roof rack itself. That bracket on the actual thing itself, on that roof, you can pull it, you can slide it towards you. Yep.
What does it need to do?
It will need to be touching the bracket. Okay, slide it on the back.
Nowhere near.
That's right,
Oh,
slide
right.
it. Yeah, put it where it is. So the one on the roof rack won't move, and then the roof rack one towards you. Right, the middle one you have to move. So take the bolts off. No, because there's a thing in the way. So I'm going to have to. Right, so what I'm going to let me get some clips, some clamps, and we'll clamp the front and the back. and that is on. Grief. So actually, it's not so bad. The deflection of the shape of the roof is only up really, maybe a centimetre and a half, maybe up from at the back and the front, from the middle. Oops. So we've got 4 button cap hex M8s holding each of the top brackets onto the actual roof rack itself. A single Torx, this is a marine grade steel, he's still going through these as well. One at the moment. If you look through, if you can, there we go. So if you zoom on there, you can see I've got plenty of room beneath that to do a second bolt. So I will do a second bolt when I've caught my breath really. So maybe not at the moment, I might do it a bit another time, but for the time being, I'm going to leave it at 1. To be fair, it's really, really strong. I mean, really strong. So I don't know what it's going to be like holding stuff, but I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know what it looks like from above, but I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm going to go to Jean's room and have a look and see what it looks like. But so far, so good. And the sunroof should open up in that space as well, which is great. And it's way above the aerial, so plenty of room. So all good. So the roof rack is now on. I'm really happy with everything there. The extrusion looks great, the handles are strong, the brackets are strong. I've still got another couple of bolts to put on each of the, one bolt to put on each bracket, but it's already really, really strong. The alignment is great, it sits really flat. So I'm really chuffed to bits with that. So thanks for watching this and watching the channel and the project. If you'd like to keep up to date with other projects that we are doing, and maybe a bit of a review on this in a couple of months' time once I've used it a little while, please do consider subscribing and click the notifications. And if you've got any comments or any questions about what I've done or how I've done it, please do add them into the comments. Thanks again, I'll see you soon.